How's it going? Jonathan Dunkerley here. And today I wanted to show you the easiest way that you could be making $1,000 plus every single day using this exact strategy that I'm going to walk you through right now. I'm showing you this just so you could see that this is actually possible. This is a Stripe account and they're making sales using the exact system that I'm going to show you using things like AI, Midjourney, and Chat GPT. And you can even look right here for me. It is 10:16 in the morning and it's already made $464 with this system. So it is possible. And there's over $18,000 pending to be deposited into the bank. And if you were wondering if this is consistent, take a look at this. Over the last year, in gross, it's almost $1 million. And then in net, it's over $800,000 in the last year. And it's even gotten better since the previous year. And this system does work and it can work for you, but you need to put in the work. And I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in this video. So first off, if you do not have something that you are already promoting, you could promote any of the AI tools that are this is a full list of over 400 different tools that you could promote that can make you money using this system. But never say there's nothing to promote, because I just told you where you can get a list of 400 things that you could promote. Okay, so let's go through exactly what we're going to need. So in today's example, I'm going to do this for Web3 enthusiasts because I wanted to prove that you could do it with any niche. So what's a Web3 enthusiast? Somebody that is into things like crypto, NFT, blockchain, and things like that. So first, just go here to ChatGPT. You can get to ChatGPT by going to chat.openai.com, or you can go to Google and just type in ChatGPT and you will find it. So I'm going to use the 3.5, which is free. You could also use 4, which is a paid version. So I just told it to write me a script about this Web3 community group. I gave it some extra details. I also told it that I wanted it to be short, similar to like a TikTok video. And then I want a call to action at the end to say yes to learn more. And then I also just said to keep it short and have no emojis, just because that makes it easier to copy and paste later. And then I also have example of a script that I've previously generated that I like the format, and I paste that and I tell it to write the script in the same format as the script below. And this gives ChatGPT a little bit more context so you get the output that you want. So I'm going to hit enter return, and just like that, I have a script ready to go. Now, the next thing we're going to need is we're going to need some images, and we can go to Midjourney to grab those images. Midjourney is an image generation tool, and it is hosted inside Discord. You can go to midjourney.com and sign up. They have great instructions on how to get started with Midjourney, as well as set up a Discord account. Discord is a social media platform mainly targeted at communities and gamers, but they have an abundance of amazing tools that you could use, like Midjourney. Now, for Midjourney, we're going to need a couple prompts, and instead of just making them up, I'm just going to add in this prompt right here after our script. Give me 5 Midjourney image prompts for the script above. They will go over a voiceover, and I just hit enter or return. Now it's giving me 5 options that I could use. I could use all of these options if I wanted to, or I could just pick the one that works the best. Now I'm just going to grab this one right here because it makes sense for a Web3 community. Then I'm going to go over here to Discord where I have Midjourney installed. Once you have your account, depending on which Midjourney account you subscribe to, you could either just use it in their Discord server, or you could do it in Messenger, or like I did, I built my own Discord server just to generate images like Midjourney, HeyGen, and things like that. So when you're ready, it's going to work the same way no matter where you do this. Hit the slash button, and we're going to click Imagine. And now I could just paste in that whole entire prompt, and there's one thing that I'm going to add at the end. So I'm going to put a space, and then dash dash, and then AR, and then another space, and then I'm going to do 9 by 16. And what that's going to do is going to give me this vertical video like this. So I just hit enter return, and it's going to generate me 4 images. While these images are generating, I can go back over to my script, and I could just take this and make a voiceover using a tool called 11 Labs. I'm going to copy my script, and you can go to 11labs.io, and you're going to be able to create a clone of either your voice or use any of the voices that are built in. If you want to do your own voice, just go to Voice Labs, and you can create a clone of up to 10 different voices in this package. So now I can just paste in my script, pick my voice, either any of the clone voices or any of the included pre-made voices that come with 11 Labs, and click this little play if you would like to sample it.
Work while you have the light. You are responsible for the talent that has been entrusted to you.
And when you're ready, just hit the generate button.
Join our Web3 community group today. We're all about winning together in Web3 and blockchain. Our members are growing, learning, and earning together. From NFTs to DeFi, we've got you covered. Together, we'll navigate this exciting digital frontier. Are you ready to thrive in Web3? Comment yes to learn more.
And now we have our voiceover. By this point, we have our sample images generated in Midjourney. We could either generate more or we could just up-res these images. And if those images weren't enough, you have plenty of other prompts that you generated that you could drop into Midjourney. Now these have popped up and all you have to do is save them. I'd say you'd want to at least have 5 or so images to use. And one other optional thing that you could do is you could go to platforms like HeyGen and create a virtual avatar like this that looked very, very real. You could even go over to 11 Labs, and if you go up to their top right corner, you can go to Profile, you can grab your API key, drop it into HeyGen, and even clone yourself in these videos and use your own voice with 11 Labs. This is an optional feature, and they do charge an additional fee to do this. So if you wanted this, this is another way that you could actually have yourself in the video without actually turning on the camera. Now we need to make sure that we downloaded our voiceover and we have all of our elements, and we're going to go over to a platform that we can edit all of these together. Now you could use any platform that you choose, but I'm just going to be using CapCut today. It is free. There is a paid version, but you could do everything that I'm going to show you today in the free version. So once you have CapCut set up, you're going to click Create New Video. It's going to ask you for your aspect ratio. Since we are doing a short, we are going to do 9:16. And then I'm going to click on Project, and then I'm going to be able to drag in all the elements that I just created with AI. So now I have my voiceover, I have some images. I could take my voiceover, drop it directly into the timeline here in CapCut, and then I could just click these images and it will add the images on top of my voiceover. Then what I need to do is I need to adjust the length of these images so they make sense, and you're going to want to listen to your audio to find out exactly where these cuts make the most sense. Now, I can click on the audio, I can go over here to captions, and I can click auto caption. I can pick my language, then click generate, and it's going to generate captions automatically. So look at this, captions right there. If I wanted to highlight them and change the font or make them look differently, I could do that right now. And then we could go and add some extra text if we want to on top, add a call to action of some kind on top of the image, and we could even add some motion with keyframes with the image to give them a more dynamic feel. Now you could polish off your video by going to audio and then picking a trending song that makes sense for your video, add it into your video, and then adjust the audio levels so they're not too loud. And your video is pretty much done once you've cleaned this up. And then you hit export and you have your one video. Now you could take this video and post it on Instagram, you could post it on Facebook, you could post it on YouTube, post it on TikTok, all over the place and get leads. But this does take you a long time to put together, so it is not the most scalable method on how to create these videos. So I'm going to show you a shortcut on how you could create videos just like these ones that we created with the same exact topic, the same everything, but all of these steps are going to be done for you. And that's with this tool called Shineify. It is currently being rebranded from ShineRanker, just so you know. With Shineify, you could create these videos with just a couple clicks. Now, if you don't believe me, you can go take a look at all of the success stories of people using Shineify to get leads and make money, get views, and using the tool to generate videos that go viral. So you do not need to take my word for it. Go and take a look at all of these positive reviews. Once you're in your Shineify account, which you can get at ShineRanker, if you ever have any questions, just come down here to the ShineRanker VIP tab. In here, there is an abundance of tutorials and setups. If you ever have any questions on how to make money using this system and this tool, this is your best resource to go to. So go here first, and your question will likely be answered. Now we're going to go over here to AI video tools. We're going to grab a few things from ChatGPT because we've already generated them for our example. But if you wanted to, you could always go to the AI chat right here and type in the same exact things that we put into ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT 4, and it is included with Shineify. So now I'm going to grab my idea prompt. This is what I put into Midjourney. I'm going to grab this idea prompt and put it into Shineify, and I'd paste that right here in the idea generation tab. Now we can go through all the different options. You could make things more accurate. This does require your own Midjourney authentication key, which you can grab right here, but this does require your own authentication key. But I'm going to show you how to do this without adding any additional APIs. So I'm going to toggle this off. Now adding captions will add burnt-in captions like you see right here, and animations adds motion into the background, making it so the video is more dynamic. Avatar is what I was showing you with HeyGen. If you toggle this on, you could put in your HeyGen API key right here, and you could toggle this on and use your own image. Toggle it off, and you don't need to worry about this if you're not planning on using an avatar. It works completely fine without it. Now on the next tab, we have our voices. If you wanted to use your own voice, you're going to need to grab your 11 Labs API key. You can grab it right here at 11 Labs API key, set up your account, and clone your voice. Otherwise, you could just toggle this off and use any of the built-in voices. You can click, like, for instance, Josh, and I could just sample it.
As an organizer, I start from where the world is.
And then that voice is going to be in my video. Now, the next tab is script. And we can take that script that we generated in ChatGPT. So I'll just copy this, go back over to Shinify, and I'm going to paste in the script. Now over to the final tab, we have music. We could pick any of these songs, or we could pick no music. And if we wanted to, we could sample it. I always recommend just double checking everything, making sure your settings are correct and that you are ready to go. And then we're going to hit generate video. You can queue up a few of these videos at a time. And if you wanted this to become a bunch of different videos, it's very easy. Just hit script, grab this script, and you could have ChatGPT rewrite this script a bunch of times. Paste the updated script in the script section. If you'd like to, you could always change other settings like the music or the voice and hit generate, and you will get 100% original new piece of content that you could post and get leads all over the internet. So now that you've seen what Shineify can do, how it could automate all of these steps, and that's why I wanted to bring up Shineify's annual pass. It's currently on sale for $499 right now. Shineify is usually $98 a month. So if you do the Shineify annual pass, you're going to get a huge, over 50% discount on what it would usually cost. So you could generate videos like I just showed you pretty much on autopilot. You could do everything directly in Shineify, and look at these testimonials of how Shineify has helped these creators make videos that are making them money. And look at this. It says it's basically a movie mini trailer, which it's a trailer for your offer. And I think that this one says it all. If you can't get rich with these videos, nothing else will do it. And just remember that you do need to do some hard work in order to achieve this, but this takes a whole bunch of that work out of the equation so you could focus on other things. So now that you've seen what Shineify can do, how it could automate all of these steps, and that's why I wanted to bring up Shineify's annual pass. It's currently on sale for $499 right now. Shineify is usually $98 a month. So if you do the Shineify annual pass, you're going to get a huge, over 50% discount on what it would usually cost. So you could generate videos like I just showed you pretty much on autopilot. You could do everything directly in Shineify. And look at these testimonials of how Shineify has helped these creators make videos that are making them money. So with all those positive reviews and people that have actually been using this tool, making videos that you used to have to go through every step, going to something like ChatGPT, generating a script, going to Midjourney to generate your images, and 11 Labs to generate a voiceover, it's all doable. But Shineify saves you so much time, and if there's one thing that I know, time is money, and this price is not going to be around forever. If you could get a tool that takes something that you used to have to do manually and does it automatically, like tools that you could use to generate money, and you'll even get access to the VIP group and all the things that it includes. Grab Shineify's annual pass today before it goes away forever. And now our generation is complete. I'm going to go ahead and click this and sample the video.
Join our Web3 community group today. We're all about winning together in Web3 and blockchain. Our members are growing, learning, and earning together. From NFTs to DeFi, we've got you covered. Together, we'll navigate this exciting digital frontier. Are you ready to thrive in Web3? Comment yes to learn more.
And just like that, I have a video that is ready to post. I have a call to action at the end. I have my closed caption, and then I could go and post it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, wherever I want. And if I want a whole bunch of videos that are similar to this to post to get me leads, all what I have to do is update the script, or I could just hit generate again, and it will give me a completely different video with that script. So now I've shown you two different ways that you can make money using this system. Look at this. It's already made almost $500, and the day has just gotten started. So this system really does work. Again, it does take a little bit of effort on your part. You do need to put in the work. And if you use tools like Shineify, you could automatically keep on generating more and more videos, freeing up your time so you could do other things and make even more money online. Again, I'm showing you these numbers just to show you that they are not made up. Nearly $1 million in gross already this year, and nearly $800,000 in net. So it is possible. Yesterday's payout alone was $1,356, which is proof right there that this system can make over $1,000 a day. And it really doesn't matter about the niche. I made a video about a Web3 community, but it could really be any community, any niche, whatever you want. And if you like these videos, let us know in the comments by just commenting yes, so we know to make more videos like this. Happy money making, and we'll see you in the next video.